One of the tools we have in the drawers over here for measuring is this depth indicator. The depth indicator is quite useful, particularly for the scribing blade. Essentially, the scribing blade has to be up so little to do its job that it's sometimes quite hard to judge it. So using this lets you be really accurate. Sometimes also when you're doing joinery and grooving and that sort of thing, you know exactly how deep you want to go. You say you want to do a groove that's 6 millimeters deep. This lets you get very accurate on that. So it's quite easy to use. You just turn it on, you put it down on the surface, and you need to put it down on the surface so that one leg's on the aluminium and one leg's on the cast iron, but the probe has to start off on the aluminium because it's always just like a little bit higher because of the way this saw has to be tuned in. So it's always like 0.1 of a mil higher or something. And then you tap that down so it's correct, and then you just press out the 0 out button. So you're getting a 0 on there. And then you can bring it over to the scribing blade. You really only need it to come up something like 0.1, 0.15, 0.2 of a mil or something like that. Laminate's not very thick, and you'll find that you'll get like a weird edge groove on your material if you come up too high. So yeah, I've come up there about 2.28, so let's drop that down. 0.22. So yeah, so there I've tuned it in to be 0.2 across the top there. On a laminate like this, you're really only dealing with very, very small amounts. So 0.1, 0.2 is plenty.